nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo lahat. I know you all work very hard. We all wish we had better results, but you know, we live to fight another day. Now it's time, I think, to put all the politics aside. We know very well, pagka meron kaming nakikita in media, pagka meron kaming yung ating narrative, ang ating istorya, ang ating panindigan, alam namin that you are clearly working and doing your job. And that is what we saw in this last political cycle. So let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Let's let people know what we're doing. Let's let people know that we are going to continue to work hard now and put the, as I said, politics aside. Consider it a distraction for now. Put the politics aside and get on with the work of nation building.